Hi, everyone. Welcome to our Easy English listening and speaking practice. Our camping night was amazing, and today our adventure continues.
We're still in the forest, exploring even deeper into nature.
More beautiful places, more simple English.
Join us and learn while we discover the forest together.
Good morning, Lina.
Morning, Tom. Ready for a new adventure?
Yes, yesterday's forest walk made me want to see more.
Same here. Nature is so beautiful.
I heard there's a deeper forest trail.
Really? What's there?
Big trees, rivers, wildlife, maybe even a waterfall.
That sounds perfect.
Let's explore and find a high viewpoint too.
I want to see the whole forest from above.
Okay, let's get ready.
Let the adventure begin.
Okay, water bottles first.
I have mine right here.
I'll bring 2 snacks.
Should we take the camera again?
Definitely. The forest views are amazing.
I'll put a small towel in my bag.
Good idea.
And the first aid kit?
Yes, let's take it.
All set. Wow, the trees here look giant.
Yes, they're much taller than the ones near the camp.
The air feels cooler too.
I like this deep forest feeling.
Listen, I hear birds.
The sound is so peaceful.
It makes me want to walk slowly.
Me too. Let's enjoy the morning.
Look at the sunlight through the leaves.
It looks like soft golden light.
So beautiful.
I want to take a picture.
Go ahead.
Nature is amazing.
Tom, look at that branch.
Oh, a bird nest.
And a tiny bird inside.
How cute.
Should we take a picture?
Only from far away.
Yes, we shouldn't disturb them.
The birds here seem very active.
Their singing is so clear.
I love starting my day like this.
Me too.
I hear water. Do you hear it?
Yes. Maybe a small stream?
Oh, there it is.
The water is so clear.
We need to cross it.
On those stones?
Yes, step slowly.
Okay. 1 step, 2.
You're doing great.
I almost slipped.
Careful.
I made it. Can we rest here for a minute?
Sure. This rock is perfect.
My legs need a break.
Mine too.
The forest is so quiet.
Except for the birds and water sound.
True, but it feels peaceful.
Want some water?
Yes, thank you.
Let's continue when you're ready.
Tom, look over there.
A deer.
It's so beautiful.
And it looks calm.
Should we stay quiet?
Yes, very quiet.
It's eating leaves.
Nature feels alive today.
I love moments like this.
Me too.
Okay, Let's continue slowly.
so we don't scare it. Here's a small wooden bridge.
It looks a bit old.
Walk carefully.
Okay, step by step.
The river under it looks nice.
I want to take a photo.
Go ahead.
It's beautiful.
Ready to move on?
Yes. Wow, this area is so bright.
The sunlight is strong here.
Look at the flowers.
So colorful.
I like this open space.
It feels warm.
A perfect spot for a picture.
Stand there.
Like this?
Yes, that's great.
Did it come out nice?
Very nice.
I love nature pictures.
Same here. Look, a map sign.
Oh, good. Let's check it.
It shows a hill viewpoint ahead.
How far is it?
Maybe 25 minutes from here?
Not too bad.
And a waterfall nearby, too.
Let's visit both.
Yes, that's our plan.
Adventure continues.
Always.
This hill is steep.
Yes, but we can do it.
I'm already tired.
Want to slow down?
No, I can continue.
Look at that tree root.
Oh, it's huge.
Step over it.
Okay, done.
You're doing great.
Thanks.
The view will be worth it.
I hope so. Oh, wow. Look at this view.
Amazing.
The forest looks endless.
And the river shines in the sunlight.
I want to take a big panoramic photo.
Good idea.
This is one of the best views I've seen.
Nature is incredible.
The air feels so fresh up here.
I can see our campsite from here.
Really?
Yes, it's very small.
This place is perfect.
Let's stay a minute.
Yes, let's enjoy it.
Ready to walk to the waterfall?
Yes, I love waterfalls.
The trail looks narrow.
We should walk slowly.
Look at those big leaves.
Everything feels so green here.
And quiet.
It's peaceful.
I hear water again.
That must be the waterfall. Wow, it's so beautiful.
The water falls so smoothly.
And the sound is relaxing.
Want to take a picture?
Yes,
Sit on that rock.
like this.
Perfect.
The mist feels nice.
Yes, it's cool and fresh.
Can we stay a little longer?
Sure,
I love this place.
me too. Let's sit here for a bit.
Good idea.
Do you want some snacks?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
This sound is perfect for relaxing.
I feel calm here.
Same.
Can we come back another day?
Of course.
I love nature days.
The map says the cliff viewpoint is close.
Really?
Maybe 10 more minutes.
I'm excited.
Me too.
The path here looks nice.
Yes, lots of small plants.
and more sunlight.
A perfect afternoon walk.
I can't wait to see the big view. Oh my goodness!
This is incredible!
The whole forest is below us.
And the river looks like silver.
The sky is so clear.
Perfect for photos.
Take one of me here.
Okay, smile.
Did it come out good?
Very good.
This place is magical.
One of the best views today.
I want to stay longer.
Me too.
Let's enjoy this moment.
So, what was your favorite part today?
The waterfall. So peaceful.
Mine was the cliff view.
I liked the deer too.
Yes, that was special.
Today felt perfect.
We saw so many beautiful things.
I learned new words too.
Nature helps with learning.
And makes me happy.
Me too.
It's getting a little late.
Yes, let's walk back.
The forest looks different now.
Afternoon light is softer.
I like this feeling.
Me too.
Today was a long walk.
But a great one.
I'm tired, but happy.
Same here.
Let's rest soon.
Yes. Thank you all for joining us today
We hope you enjoyed exploring the forest.
and learned some new English
Nature is a great teacher.
and a great friend.
Please like the video.
And subscribe for more adventures
We have many journeys coming soon.
and many beautiful places to share.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.